Yeah, so anyway, ngayon meron tayong Never Been Better fan meet. Can you give us any clue on what we can expect in this fan meet?
Sample.
Palagi.
Sa songs. Baka kantahin po namin yung palagi.
Mas magulat kayo kung di namin kantahin yung palagi. Surprise!
Pero for sure, we're gonna do different sets ng ibang KZ set, DJ set. Yung sa kanya powerful yung mga songs talaga ni KZ, sa akin naman medyo mellow. We're gonna do that for sure, and yun, the best part would be gusto talaga naming ma-spend tong time na to with fans, na yun talaga yung gusto naming magawa sa fan meet na to.
Na parang, of course, there will be music, pero I think dun sa fan meet, yung music is bonus na lang. Kasi mas more on like, we just want this to be like a really big bonding time with the supporter. So, ayun, sobrang excited kami. Kasi syempre, yung ibang mga fan meets din ng Dunkin in the past, napanood din namin. Kahit nanonood lang kami, tawa kami ng tawa, akala mo, nandun din kami. So, sobrang excited kami na ma-experience yun syempre with our supporters, of course.
Very excited. Sorry, follow-up question.
Wala.
Kanina, you said that it's going to be very personal. So I would like to ask, how involved were you in the production of Never Been Better?
Very, very involved. Oo, kasi lalo na, I think yung music side of the fan meet kasi will also dictate yung feels nung buong fan meet. So, dun yung pinaka-focus talaga din namin para syempre ma-highlight kami as individual artists, but also marinig din ng mga supporters namin yung performances namin together, and of course yung palagi. Yun, ikaw. Ay, huwag kang copy-paste. Sumagot ka, may mic ka.
Pagdating sa fans, sana huwag silang mag-request ng kung ano-ano. Kinakabahan ako, baka pasayawin kasi ako dun eh.
Oh, I think sa fan meet kasi may mga ganun yan, may mga games, may mga question. Feeling ko makikita ka na talaga nilang sumayaw sa MOA Arena. I think this will be the beginning of your...
Ako bahala, Ate.
This will be the beginning of your career as a dancer.
And the end.
Yes.
Thank you, DJ and KJ. Congratulations and good luck. Sana maganda.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ipupush namin yun, no? Dancing.
Yes. Meron lang